If you ever try telling a story with AI visuals, you know the struggle. Your characters don't stay the same. One minute your hero looks fierce and ready for battle. Next thing you know, he's got a different face, different hair, and the whole mood of the story is off. I have seen it happen to a lot of creators like Maya, a storyteller who wanted to build a magical world for kids. Her characters were full of charm and personality, but the AI tools they couldn't keep the visuals consistent across her stories. So Maya had always been a dreamer. Like as a child, she would sketch imaginary lands on the backs of school notebooks, forests that whispered secrets, animals that wore bounties and ran cafes, stars that sang lullabies. When she grew older, she didn't stop imagining. She just swapped crayons for scripts. So Maya became a content creator, one of the good ones. Every week she would spin tales for kids and parents to enjoy. Stories full of kindness, wonder, and whims. But there was one problem. She couldn't draw and animation out of budget. So she turned to AI tools to bring her characters to life. So at first it was thrilling. A bunny with glasses, a wise raccoon with a sweater vest. She fed her story into the system and got visuals in seconds. But then the problems began. In episode 1, her bunny wore green glasses and had a chipped front tooth. In episode 2, pink glasses, no chip, different face. And the raccoon, he looked like a panda now. So she laughed at first, then cringed, then realized her audience was confused. Kids asked, "Is that the same bunny?" Parents commented, "Looks different this time." The spell broke, and with it, the magic of her stories also broke. So, and there was one more person I can tell you, Mr. James, a content creator with an epic fantasy world in his head. His knight, tough battle worn with a scar across his cheek. But the AI kept changing him. Sometimes this like scar was there, sometimes it wasn't, sometimes he looked like a completely different character altogether. So across the internet, James was running into his own nightmare. He wasn't telling sweet bedtime tales, he was building worlds of fire and steel, epic sagas with fallen kings and battles for honor. His characters were flawed, complex, unforgettable. At least they were in his head. But when James tried to bring his characters to the screen, the knight's armor kept changing. The mentor who had weathered a face and grey beard, now he looked 25 and clean shaven. The villain with the crimson scar, his signature trait was something missing it entirely. And once the AI gave him a mustache. As James screamed into the void, he didn't want AI creativity, he wanted control. He didn't need 1,000 random images. He needed the same character in the same world telling a cohesive story. So, here what we can see, Maya and James didn't know each other, different genres, different platforms, but they were united by one thing, frustration. They had stories worth telling, audiences eager to listen, but the visuals kept betraying the vision. Tool after tool let them down, no memory, no consistency, just chaos in pretty packaging. They both started to wonder, is this even possible? Can a creator build entire storylines with multiple characters and keep each one visually consistent from start to finish? Then, good news. They found Vidgenie. So Maya wasn't looking for another AI image tool. She almost gave up, but then she saw something different. A platform that didn't just generate characters, it remembered them. With Jenny, she could upload one image of her bunny, green glasses, chipped tooth, curious eyes, and bring that exact bunny back in every story, every chapter of the story. Not kind of similar, not close enough. It is identical. Same expression, same charm across every scene in her magical universe. And it didn't stop there. She built entire character sets, friendly foxes, grumpy owls, chatty clouds, each one consistent across episodes. No more immersion breaks, no more second guessing, just smooth, story rich content that looked and felt like it came from a studio. Her audience noticed, kids recognized the bunny, parents praised the visuals, and Maya, she finally felt like a real storyteller with visuals to match her imagination. For James, Vidgenie was a revelation. He created his knight once, battle worn, scattered, proud, and Vidgenie remembered him. That same night appeared in battle scenes, flashbacks, cliffhangers, never losing detail. He built his universe brick by brick. The mentor with the store my eyes, the villain with the crimson scar, the casual guards with their matching sigils, all consistent, all locked in. And when he wanted new characters, he created them too. Each one with their own unique style, voice, and look, each one remembered and repeated with flawless accuracy. Now, James is building episodic content, a growing fan base, merch ideas, all from the foundation of consistent storytelling. The truth, Maya and James did not need massive budgets. They didn't need to hire teams. They just needed a tool that respected their vision and gave their characters the consistency they deserved. They needed with Jenny. Now they are not just creators, they are world builders, and with Jenny they are doing it faster, easier, and better than ever before. So, but you might be wondering, how does Vidgenie actually solve all these issues? How does it keep characters consistent across your stories? Let me show you. So, instead of randomly generated images that change with every new scene, Vidgenie allows you to lock in your characters' look, making sure they stay exactly the same every time across every video or stories that you create. So, let's jump and see how Vidgenie works. Just click on the link in the description. You will be navigated to a Vidgenie site. So Vidgenie site, once you come here, you can see multiple features. Everything they have showcased here. So AI characters, showcase art styles, pricing and credits, everything. So you can create videos in multiple languages. They have 29 languages option. AI optimized scripts, 10-minute videos, 25 plus categories, motion video clips, 100 plus visual styles, character consistency, 100 plus AI voices, 1600 plus music tracks, AI characters, unlimited edits, full customization, everything option is available. So you can see if you go to the AI characters, you can see the AI characters are created like you can just with a very simple inputs you can create the characters like character name, gender, age range, ethnicity, hair type, hair color, body type, eye colors, facial features. You can just create your AI character and you can just start creating generate amazing content around it. Also, you can see if you go to the showcase for showcase menu item, you can see the multiple showcase like the videos that they have showcased that are created with on with Jenny. You can see multiple in the multiple categories, multiple mini videos that are being created. So if you come to the pricing and credits, it is showing in INR. So based on your location, geolocation, it will show. So it is 2000 INR per month. Means like if you convert it into dollars, it would be hardly around say $20 to $25 a month, or so up to 30 minutes of videos you can create. You can see different plans and you can choose whatever is suitable for you. Also when you're purchasing plan for annual 2 for the like you will also get 2 months free. So let's see. So to get started, just click on start now button. That will take you to the this particular create an account screen. So where you just need to enter your first name, last name, your email, and then passwords. Please choose a strong password. So it will just say verify your email to continue. Please check your email for a verification email sent to this particular email ID. Click the link in that email to confirm your address. So just wait for 15 seconds if it has not reached. But ideally there will be no issue. You would have reached it easily. You just need to copy paste, or you can just click there. Verifying your email, it just says, and email verified successfully, redirecting, and you will be logged in into the dashboard. So here, very pretty simple a dashboard, no confusing, no complex things. You can just say you can create AI story videos, AI UGC videos, AI characters, everything. AI stories you can create. It has 25 plus categories. Interesting historical events, inspiring historical urban legends, spine-chilling tales, fatales, stories from the Bible, children's stories, bedtime stories, tales from Hindu mythology, personal growth tips, empowerment, urban wonders, Earth's epic journey. So there are more than 25 categories that are already available. You can just start using it right away. So AI characters, you can start using the characters, pre-made characters for you. AI story videos on the home page you can see here. So here you can just see your workspace profile, billing and subscriptions, usage, analytics, pricing, account security, etc. You can check on this particular tab. So you just need to select say for example say to quick create, you just need to Ramayana, Ravana's final moments, Demon King's death, duration, you just need to select, let AI generate a script, video timing, keep the original pace, you can do a video aspect ratio, you can select, so motion video clips, AI image model, and you just need to select what kind of picture, animation, Disney tone, what kind of things, you just need to select it, and you can just voice, standard ST voice, whatever the voice you need, you can just select, you can just preview the voice here, and you just need to create click on generate script. So it will also show you the estimated credits that it will take, base credits, image credits, voice credits, total credits for creating this particular video. So there you have it. Maya and James are now creating immersive, consistent worlds without the headache of broken visuals or shifting characters. All thanks to Vidgenie. So if you are tired of inconsistent characters messing with your storytelling or content creation, Vidgenie might just be the tool you have been searching for. It's fast, intuitive, and most importantly, keeps your creative vision intact. If you want to give a try yourself, I have got a link in the description below. Check it out and see how Vidgenie can level up your content. Whether you're a storyteller, a marketer, or just someone who wants their characters to come to life without the hassle, Vidgenie's got your back. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your fellow creators, and drop a comment letting me know what kind of stories you're working on. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss a video. I'm always sharing tips and tools to help you create better content faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.